But today I want to talk with Chris. Chris has been doing some lending for a lot of his clients, kind of all over the country, and that's something that we know as real estate investors, real estate. Period. We need either lines of credit or we need some type of funding, and that's one of the things that Chris has um, been doing, educating himself on, and just been helping a lot of people. So, Chris, man, kind of tell us how you started, man, how you got into real estate.
So my grandfather was a carpenter. He used to bring me on jobs when I was younger. So I learned about 2x4s, 2x8s. I started working on a job and I got really invested into rehab. I learned it from the outside in, from the inside out. I'm sorry. And so I always took a love for real estate when I would go with him, and that's how my love for real estate started. That expanded into me realizing that's what I wanted to do. And since maybe about '04, I started learning more about real estate investing and what it was and what it entails of. And that's what I've been doing. So that's why I got started. So what I offer is financing for real estate investors. My best product, and I say that's been going the most, is the line of credit. And it starts from 10,000. It goes all the way up to 400,000. And all you need is about a 650 credit score and no heavy inquiries in the last 6 months. You can get 10,000 or 400,000, which can help, bloodshot and pump your business up and get you where you need to be. So we do a line of credit. We also do fix and flips. Our fix and flips go pretty well too, because you don't need no type of credit score for fix and flips. No credit score at all. If you got a property and it's a good deal, we can do that. We can fund the rehab and everything with no minimum credit score. It's a great program. And the buy and hold is a little bit tougher because of the long-term 20, 30-year hold of it. But maybe about a 650, you can do a buy and hold and 650 credit score. And we can get that done for you about 20 years, where you can cash flow every month on your property. So the line of credit is the best. Those have been going a lot. The fix and flips goes pretty quick also. And that's what we have.
Okay, so Chris, so you're actually from New Orleans. Just to go back, you say you started, with your grandfather kind of took you on a job. Did you start doing anything in New Orleans as far as real estate wise, besides once you kind of learned something from your grandfather? Were you doing any flips out there, or you started most of your real estate when you got to Baton Rouge?
I started most of my real estate investing when I got to Baton Rouge after Katrina. We started to invest in there, and that's when I got enough nerve and heart to go ahead and jump out there and pursue my passion. And that's why I started in the Baton Rouge area. I want to go back to New Orleans eventually and get some things done. It's a great market. It's a great area. But right now, we started out in Baton Rouge.
Right. So I know you got a couple of rentals yourself too, Chris. So with this line of credit, the line of credit that you're talking about, because a lot of people with rentals, and I think we was talking about this earlier, we was talking about refi. So with the line of credit first, let's go back to that. So you say most of your clients, the only thing they need is a 650 credit score.
Yeah, the line of credit is great. That's all you need is about a 650 credit score, no major inquiries in the last 6 months, and we could definitely get you financed.
Income though? Do I have to have make a whole bunch of money, or is it basically on my credit score?
It's mostly credit driven. You would need to have, if you're a W-2 worker, you need to make at least 40,000 a year. If you're not a W-2 worker, you made about 50, 55 a year. And if you're not a W-2 worker, we can still get it done. The process just takes a little longer, but it still can be done. So that's all you need is the credit score, because it's mostly credit driven. No heavy inquiries in the last 6 months, and we could get you financed, man. We can get you that line of credit that can jumpstart your mortgage career. Not even with that, you may have some other things you want to get started, because the line of credit is yours. Once it's deposited into your account, you can do whatever you feel like.